In the first article consists of design and mechanisms that complete with the Poka-Yoke philosophy. Avoid errors to limit the steel balls from falling into the machine casing. Whether at the end of the design and manufacture of said tool, it was found that it met the specification for which it was ordered to the ball. In addition, um, this article is linked to the objectives of sustainable development of higher education and finally responsible production and consumption since the productivity of production increases due to change made. In the second article, it tells more than anything about the implementation of the Poka-Yoke methodology into process. Uh, Through visual techniques and designs, there are verified and analyzed to know it actually complements an improvement and also comply with the Center Sustainable Development mentions about and additionally meets Objective 8, which is design work and economic growth since several lean manufacturing tools are implemented in it, which makes the company produce great employment capacity since this will save costs of overtime. In the last article, it is mentioned about a workstation that corrects human errors as it is assembled in the process, where a lot is saved in rework of possible defects to faults that the mechanism itself may have. In this study, which is brain analyzed the Poka-Yoke methodology is applied in a workstation in order to reduce assembly times in such a way that is an improvement in, in productivity. This article meets all of the sustainable development goals mentioned about depending on the characteristics that were broke up. Thank you.